At 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. AT&T like, happy birthday, dear Edward.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Para comer ese perro. Make a wish, Dad.
Toma.
Hold it out.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Woo!
Okay, good.
Man, who's getting the D?
Ande. Ah, okay.
No, big, right?
Yeah, it's too big. It falls into the trim right here, which
Falls into the fender flares.
yeah.
Then we made it smaller.
And then this also goes over, so I moved it down.
Thank you to those that subscribe to our YouTube. You guys got us to actually above 1,000 subscribers. So what we want to do is give y'all some, I would say, some humor. Not all of us actually can dance, but we'll do a dance battle type video and show you what we got in terms of shaking it or whatever. Maybe somebody's gonna be twerking. You don't know. We'll do that celebration probably on the weekend. We already hit 1K, so like I said, I appreciate that. And now we're gonna make more content and basically combine our DIYs with our vlogs. So you guys get to see our daily routine and then some how-to videos without getting that boring kind of what's it called? Boring vibe. Okay, like I said, we got the 1,000 subscribers and we got multiple followers on TikTok. So also thank you for that. If you guys follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, we are probably planning on doing like a giveaway or something in the distant future. So we're gonna be building something for that. But you're gonna have to follow all our social media and check it out. So we're also on Twitter too. So yeah, thank you for 1,000 followers. We're gonna keep trying to grow that. So you're gonna have to, of course, follow, like, subscribe, and share the video if you can, so that we can make more videos. So yeah, let's go.
Really?
Package from China.
Yeah, man. Why you shit dirty? Why you got poop worms on your car?
Dude, I just washed it literally Saturday.
Oh, it's because of you. That's why it rained. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Bunsama from Xpress Skins and the Weebstop. So today, Ed actually he's working on his birthday. give him a happy birthday first. Today is actually his birthday. We celebrated on Saturday night also. So he has 2 cakes. So today he did a banner install, and what you're gonna see is basically a run through of the install. So basically measuring the length of it. It is above the AS1 line. So if, you can't really go under that. We made some clean cuts and everything. New cars makes it easier to do the cuts. It doesn't have a weather strip that covers the window, so that's a nice thing. And yeah, so after this, you guys will see a install cinematic style Benny edit, and let's go.